DuraPost welcomes you to this instructional video on how to install urban composite fence panels horizontally with our DuraPost Classic Post. Urban composite fence boards can also be installed in a vertical format. Refer to our urban vertical install video for details. Please note, this video is designed as a guideline and may not be suitable for all types of installation. Remember to use PPE and ensure safe operation when using power tools. DuraPost urban panels are designed as the perfect solution for modern and stylish fencing. DuraPost urban boards are slotted into place between two DuraPosts. DuraPost urban boards come in packs of 2. A 1.8 metre high fence panel will require 3 packs, or 6 boards. You will also require the bottom and top cross rails for each section of fencing. The bottom rail has a water slot for drainage. The following tools are required. Start by marking the desired position for your urban fence. Use the bottom rail to get the correct measurement for the next post position. For urban horizontal, measure 1.830 meters from the bottom of the rail to the top of the post and mark the position. If fitting a DuraPost post cap, add on 15 millimeters to the height measurement. Slot the boards into place with the tongue side facing up. Ensuring the bottom rail is level, fix the supplied self-drilling screws through the rail and into the board to secure. When screwing into the post, if you intend to use cover strips, then apply the cover strip washers at this point for each set of screws. Continue to slot the boards into place with the tongue side facing up, locking the boards together. Add the top rail and secure using the supplied self-drilling screws. Additional self-drilling screws are supplied with the rails for fixing the urban boards. This will prevent rattle and keep them secure. Continue the installation by adding each bay in exactly the same way. Boards are available in natural, grey and brown finishes, which you can match or mix with our DuraPost colours. The DuraPost Urban range is sustainable, maintenance-free, eco-friendly, made from 70% recycled product and UV stabilised. Urban panels are fully adaptable and can be installed to create your desired height fence. Here are some examples of height options.